Samsung is plus 26.81% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is July 31st, and today we are putting the spotlight on Samsung, a global leader in semiconductors and consumer electronics. Samsung is up 26.81% to 262,500 Korean wons in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between 243,000 Korean wons and 267,000 Korean wons. The long-term fundamentals for Samsung revolve around memory chip cycle recovery, foundry competition, and smartphone demand. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung, Broadcom reached $200 billion RE memory chip deal manufacturing dive. Let us look at the broader sector picture. On the geopolitical front, this comes as oil prices rise after US bloc's surprise attack from Iran, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street closes down sharply after Fed holds rates unchanged. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 ends higher as investors await tech earnings. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Microsoft made a dramatic move today, surged plus 15.51% to $451.10. Equity markets are responding to reports that Microsoft jumps 8% as it boosts capital spending plans, citing demand. Azure AI services revenue is the key number. Each point of acceleration in cloud growth translates directly into a higher earnings multiple. Copilot enterprise adoption is still early innings, but the renewal rate data from the sales force is encouraging. Any guidance upgrade on cloud segment margins would be the catalyst for the next leg up. SoftBank Group surged plus 13.80% to 5,260 yen in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that SoftBank Group, SFTBY, projected to release earnings on Thursday. Market beat. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for SoftBank Group sits around 5,575 yen and 60 sen. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view. Always do your own research. Rocket Lab surged plus 10.38% to $64.68 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by should you buy Rocket Lab stock after it just won its largest launch contract in history? Yahoo Finance. Neutron medium-lift rocket development is the key valuation catalyst. A successful first launch would dramatically expand the addressable market and justify a meaningful re-rating. Space Systems revenue from satellite components and manufacturing is a steady, often overlooked earnings base. Watch for any Neutron program update or new DoD launch contract. Here is our analytical view on Samsung from here. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung, Broadcom reached $200 billion RE memory chip deal manufacturing dive. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any Nvidia or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is our spotlight on Samsung from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.